welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be making a virgin pineapple jalapeno margarita. So let's get started.
So today we're going to need pineapple juice, chopped pineapple, mint leaves, sliced lemon, a mixture of salt, tahini, and chili powder, sugar, and jalapeno rings, sparkling water, 2 half-liter mason jars. All of the ingredients and everything and the measurements will be in the description.
So now you will want to muddle together the mint leaves, the pineapple chunks, the jalapeno slices, and the sugar.
So now we're just going to be moistening the rim of both of these mason jars with a little bit of lemon, and then covering the top of these rims in this mixture that we've created with salt, tahini, and chili powder. Make sure you give it a good layer around the rim so that the mixture sticks very well from the inside and the outside. And then we're just going to dunk this right in here.
Then you want to add ice into both of the jars and distribute the muddled mixture.
Next step is to divide 1 cup between both of the jars. Add your sparkling water. Until it's full, you can add some more ice if you want to make it a little bit colder. Gently stir your drinks to incorporate all of the ingredients.
Now you want to garnish with lemon and mint and jalapenos.
Now we're going to try the drink that we've made. It's quite a strange flavor.
I can definitely taste the jalapeno.
Yep.
But yeah, it's really good. I can taste the mint, and I guess I can taste a little bit of everything. It just kind of combines.
It's kind of
so
like
well.
a spicy, minty. I probably would like to taste a little bit more of the pineapple, but other than that, it's pretty good. But maybe we should try it with this. I think that looks a little bit better.
That's really good. Yeah, I would definitely make this again. Maybe try it with some other fruits, like maybe strawberry or mango even. That would probably be
I would
really
probably
good.
add a little bit more pineapple juice and yeah, probably what I do.
But yeah, it's really good. So yeah, you guys should try out this recipe and let us know what you think in the comments. And yeah, we'll see you next time.
Yep, comment down
Bye.
below. Bye.
Bye.